Hi, today we are going to see how to change color in Adobe Photoshop. First open your photo that you want to change the color. Then open layer panels, then click on this and here you will find hue and saturation. Click on hue and saturation. Now change the color as you want. After you satisfy, collapse it by click on this arrow icon. Now see the color of the lip also changed. If you want to change back to the original color, click on this white area and choose brush. Make sure that the back is on the top. Now paint on the area that you want to back in the original color. Do it carefully. Now see, color of the apple is changed. So this is how you can change color in Adobe Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.